Have you ever needed to ask your manager for time off?
Do you know how to politely ask for a day off in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about asking for time off.
You'll learn useful English expressions for requesting vacation days, explaining your plans, and talking with your manager.
Let's get started. Good morning. Do you have a minute?
Sure, what's up?
I'd like to ask for some time off.
Okay, when would you like to take time off?
I'd like to take next Friday off.
Is there a special reason?
Yes, I have a family event that day.
I understand.
Would that be okay?
Let me check the schedule first.
Sure, thank you.
It looks like we have several people working that day.
That's good.
We should have enough people to cover your work.
Great.
Have you finished your important tasks for this week?
Almost. I'll finish everything before Thursday.
Good.
I'll also organize my work before I leave.
That's helpful.
I don't want my absence to cause any problems.
I appreciate that.
Actually, I'd also like to ask about taking 2 days off next month.
Which days are you thinking about?
Thursday and Friday.
Are you planning a trip?
Yes, I'm planning a short family trip.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
How many vacation days do you have left?
I have 5 days left.
Then you have enough vacation days.
That's great.
I'll approve those 2 days.
Thank you so much.
Where are you planning to go?
We're going to visit a small beach town.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, we want to spend some time at the beach and enjoy good food.
Are you going with your family?
Yes, my parents and my sister are coming too.
I hope you have a wonderful trip.
Thank you.
Don't forget to take some pictures.
I won't. Before I take my days off, I'd like to make sure everything is ready.
Good idea.
I'll finish my current project before I leave.
What about your emails?
I'll answer all important emails before my vacation.
And what about your regular tasks?
I'll give the information to my coworker, Sam.
That should work.
I'll also leave a note with important details.
Excellent. That will make things easier.
I want everything to be clear before I leave.
You're doing a great job planning ahead. Okay, your day off next Friday is approved.
Thank you.
And your 2 vacation days next month are approved too.
That's wonderful. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'll make sure all my work is finished before then.
Perfect.
I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Enjoy your time off.
I definitely will. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome back.
Thank you. I had a great time.
How was your trip?
It was wonderful.
Did you enjoy the beach?
Yes, the weather was beautiful.
That's great to hear.
I'm happy to be back at work too.
That's good.
I checked my emails this morning.
Do you have a lot to catch up on?
A few things, but I'll take care of them today.
Welcome back again.
Thank you. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for asking for time off.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Question of the day.
If you could take a week off, where would you go?
Tell us your answer in the comments below.
Thank you for learning with Everyday English Learning. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.